Wire harness and capacitor. When operating your distributor, don't overlook this essential component. Features: Proform 66946C Hay Wire Harness Radio Capacitor Kit. Product dimension: LxWxH 9. 4x7x1. 2. Product details. Weight: 1. 6 ounces. International. This item can be shipped to select countries outside of the U.S. Learn More. Brand: Proform. Model: 66946C. Item weight: 1. 6 ounces. Product dimensions: 9. 4x7x1. 2 inches. California residents. Click here for Proposition 65 warning. Item model number: 66946C. Manufacturer part number: 66946C. OEM part number: 66946C. Handling: we will ship all orders within 3 business days of payment. We do not ship outside of the continental U.S. Return policy: all items qualify for returns within 30 days of receipt. Buyer is responsible for return shipping on any item that is not damaged. Feedback: we take our reputation seriously. We buy and sell online, so we understand the value of trust. If you are unsatisfied with your order, please contact us and we will work with you to resolve it to your satisfaction. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfect. Shipped and received quickly. I was having occasional no spark issues and wanted to eliminate all possibilities.